Hi, I'm Mr. Piano, and this is Oclef Kinder. So, Girl on a Bicycle is the song we'll be learning today. So let's find our hand position first. We're going to make sure that our right hand thumb is on treble C. This is middle C. So it'll be on the C above middle C. And our left hand thumb is going to be on G below middle C. So the hands are pretty far apart. All right, so that's our hand position. Let's look at the right hand before we look at the left hand. In the right hand, we play C, step up to 2, step up to 3, step up to 4, step up to 5, step down, step down, step down, step down. So again, that pattern, it repeats. Let's look at that. We have 1 on C, 2 on D, 3 on E, 4, F, and all the way up to 5. So we're stepping up the 5-finger scale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we're going to go back down. So that's the first line, right? Let's look at the left hand. In the left hand, 5 is on which note? Do you remember what note that is? It's a C. Oh, it's C. That is 5 on C for 4 beats. Can you hold that for 4? Good. Now the next note, we skip up to finger 1 in the left hand. 2, 3, 4. Again, we hold it for 4 beats. And then we skip down to 5. Hold for 4. Back up to 1. And down to 5 in the second line. We'll save the second line for a bit later. Let's try hands together. So our hand position here, treble C, right hand. Left hand on G. Left hand thumb on G. All right. But we start on finger 5 on C. You see my hand? Together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2. Let's look at that second line. The first 2 measures are exactly the same as the beginning, it looks like, right? But let's look at this measure. This measure is very different. This is 1 on C. Yeah, and then we skip up to 3 and then step down to 2 and back up to 3. So right hand, we play 1, 3, 2, 3, and then the last measure we skip down to finger 1. Hold for 4. Let's play that again, right hand only. 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Did you get it? Let's look at the left hand. So here in the left hand, we have 5, 1, 5, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So here we're skipping up to 1, skipping down to 5. Let's try hands together. 1, 3, 2, 3, 1. So when you play 1 in the left hand, you play 2 in the right. So watch out for that beat. I'll play it again. 2, 3, 4. Good. Did you get it? Can we play it from the beginning together? Let's try it. Ready? 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. How'd you do? Have a good one. Thank you so much. And happy practicing.